I'd like to introduce machine control system of excavator. The system controls the position of edge of buckets automatically by following 3D design data. The system refers the 3D design data for automatic control. And the operator can refer the 3D design data and current position of machine in real time. It is not necessary to put the marking and butterboard on the ground. So it can reduce the time for preparation in the field. It controls automatically. So no mistake, no over digging. So you can get the high quality construction. Operator can take care elevation of ground digging by himself. So the person does not need to work around the machine. So it provides safety. The system takes care of the complicated operation of boom and arm and bucket. So it provides easy operation of machine. No need skill of operation. So this system provides productivity, high quality, and safety in the construction. So I'd like to show the simulator of the excavator. So this is a simulator of the machine control of excavator. So usually the operator need to operate manually by those two sticks, those levers. So this is the boom control and the bucket move. And also another lever, this is the arm. So in the manual, the operator needs to control those boom, arm, bucket simultaneously. So very complicated. But machine control system, once turn on the switch auto button, the bucket position and bucket angle will control automatically. So operator just needs control the lever of the arm. So I'd like to do the operation. So I will turn on the auto button. So you will see the auto indicator turn on to the yellow, and boom bucket will change. Will move to the specific height, which is the design data. So turn on the auto button. So now the bucket move to the design elevation. And one more turn on the auto button. So you will see that this auto button, auto indicator is turned on. This automatic control is angle will control automatically. So after that, you just need to move the arm. So you can see the bucket is moving automatically. It's maintaining the specific height elevation. So each is operation.